Hello everyone, this is Satya and I'm back with another video. Today it is going to be a travel update. When it comes to travel, be it from US to India or from India to US, many are waiting for the exact date when US is going to lift the travel ban. And this question has been raised now and then in White House press briefing. But today the press people were very much eager to know whether the date is going to be in the first half of the November or the second half of the November. And they were putting forth the questions in different ways, but still the answer was the same, which means that date was not yet announced. But there is an announcement from Department of Homeland Security that US is planning to open their borders from Canada and Mexico for essential and non-essential fully vaccinated travelers, along with the new international travel policy, which is expected to be implemented in the month of November. Along with it, they have also mentioned that they are going to implement this in two phases, one in the month of November and another in the month of January 2022. The next update is for the travelers who are planning to travel from US to India. After 18 long months, India is resuming their operations to start issuing new tourist visa or new e-tourist visa starting November 15th. So right now, people were traveling, which means a US citizen or other foreign nationals were traveling with OCI or emergency visa. From November 15th, you can start applying for tourist visa if required. And the point to be noted is if you're planning to travel to India with the tourist visa, then the visa should be issued on or after October 6th of 2021. But if you already hold a tourist visa which has been issued before October 6th of 2021, then you are not supposed to travel with the tourist visa. Because the tourist visa which has been issued before October 6th of 2021 will not be honored, and in spite of that, if you plan to travel after reaching India, you are likely to be detained and returned to your origin. Now let's see the travel guidelines for the people who are traveling from US to India. Number one is, of course, RT-PCR test. So you should be able to provide a negative RT-PCR test taken 72 hours before you board your flight from US to India. And when it comes to RT-PCR test, irrespective of any age, you should provide negative RT-PCR test, which means even if your kid is less than 2 years of age or above 2 years of age, you should provide negative RT-PCR test before you board your flight. Next is you should fill the self-declaration form in Air Suvidha website, and you should upload the negative RT-PCR test. Along with it, you should also mention the travel history for the past 14 days. Next point is if you are traveling directly from US to India, then you need not take another RT-PCR test after arriving in India. But in case if you choose to travel via Middle East, then after arrival you should take another RT-PCR test in the airport, which would cost around rupees 800 to 900, and you need not wait for the result. The result will be sent to the email. So these are the travel updates for today. Hope we are going to get good news in coming days. Stay tuned with the Purna Arti Vlog for more and more updates on embassy, immigration, travel and vlogs. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.